Hello, Paul here. I want to give you a training course today on Zoho CRM, but if you're starting a new job or you're going to a job interview and you want to be able to say, I understand or I know Zoho CRM, what I've got in a training video that's got 100,000 views is I ask in that video, what have you come here to do? Why are you watching it? And a lot of you guys said, I've just started a new company, or I'm looking into Zoho CRM because the company that I'm trying to get a job with use Zoho CRM. So what I want to do is give you some full training as fast as I can that's going to give you the knowledge to say, hand on heart, yes, I know how to use Zoho CRM to your new boss or to a prospective boss. Right, so we're going to go through it. I've got a plot list to get through. I'll put all these in order on a training course so you can go through in your own time, doing one lesson at a time, but I will do it as fast as I can. Okay, so stay with me.